Okay, hello everyone. I was asked to do a video about how to use shared folders. So we can see here that I'm trying to install a new version of VirtualBox. It's not going so well, but I do have VirtualBox up and running, and I've started running our new virtual machine. So there's a virtual machine for COMP2404 now. If you go to, there's a link in Brightspace, so you can go get it, download it, and run it. The only difference between this virtual machine and the 2401 is that this one has Visual Studio Code, which makes things a little bit easier. But so I've already booted it up. This is what it looks like. And now, if I want to use shared folders, I can go to Devices, Shared Folders, Shared Folder Settings. I have nothing here at the moment, so I'm going to hit Add Shared Folder. It asks for the folder path. I'm going to go to Other, which brings up the File Explorer. And then let's see, I will go to where did I put my code? Right here. Okay, so now I'll make a shared folder with all the class examples that we're going to be using. I'm going to put it to auto mount. I don't want it read only. I want to be able to modify it. I'm going to put it to make permanent so that it's here every time I come. The mount point is fine. It will make one for you. You don't have to. You can. I believe it's just what the folder is called, but I've never tried it, so you can try it if you like, but it's fine if you leave it blank. Okay, so now I have this new shared folder here. I click OK. Yeah, so then I go to my applications, and well, the last one had a folder on the desktop, so where am I going to find that? All right, well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code and search for it using the File Explorer there. So I haven't really played around with this virtual machine very much. So I'm going to open folder. There's a bunch of old stuff here. You can just close it. It's from somebody else. And if I go to, where would it be? Student. Oh, yeah, here it is. So SF underscore code, it's mounted, which means it's an external file system that's mounted internally into this one. And then I can go into, let's say we're going to finish off the introduction in one of the classes. I can open that folder. Yes, I trust the author. And yeah, from here I can code. And the nice thing is that I can actually, if I wanted to, I can open a terminal right in Visual Studio Code and do things like, yeah, I could probably do that. But let's go here and say, all right, everything's a little bit slow. So I will remove P1 and then I'll recompile it. G++-O P1 P1.cc. And then P1 hello world. So this file is actually on my Windows system, but I have the GCC compiler in my virtual machine, and I can run that on those files. And so yeah, it makes what we do a little bit easier. So that's it for that video. I'll see you guys in class.